Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Conch. The first thing we're going to do is create an account. And as you can see here, we're spinning up a new dashboard for your account. Down here is a quick guide if you want to read more about how to use Conch. In our case, we're just going to go ahead and upload a audio file. Here we go. And we're going to let that upload and transcribe. In the meantime, we're going to look at this welcome tutorial that shows exactly how the platform works. So in here, you can see there's a video file that's been transcribed. If I were to click play now,
Welcome to Conch. We are a transcription platform.
you can see that this lady down at the bottom starts speaking, and we then track every word that's being said with this blue underscore. And in here, you can basically treat this as a Google Doc document. So you can create new paragraphs, you can remove things if you want, or you can add them again. Um, you can also create highlights. So in here, you can create a highlight or a comment and say, here's a comment, save that. You can add new speaker names. So in this case, we could say that it's John that's saying this particular paragraph. And here it could be that it's Alan. And once I update this one, you can update all the speakers that were speaker before to Alan. So that's a bit about how the editor works. It's really fast and performant. It's really easy to navigate within it. And no matter what you're doing in here, it always keeps the time codes so you can download your subtitles when you want to. You can see you can export a transcript in different formats. You can translate the transcript as well. Again, you keep the time code so you can translate a transcript and still export subtitles. You can open it in the Magic Doc, which I'll show you in a second. You can also summarize your transcripts using AI. You can see now we've started summarization. And there's other settings in here for how to best use the editor, basically. What we're going to go ahead and do now is show you the Magic Doc, what that's all about. So I'm going to open this one in Magic Doc. And this basically means that there's a new document being created on the dashboard. And if we go in here, you can see this is the new, you can see it's a bit more rounded. That's the Magic Doc. You can also create a Magic Doc from scratch down here. If you click down here, create with AI. But if you click in here, you can basically take, you now have the result of the transcript before, and you can take these things and you can say, please summarize this transcript in 5 bullet points, for example. And if you were to run this, we would take this full text, run it through an AI, and give you the summarized transcript in 5 bullets. You can also generate images. So you can say, generate an appropriate image based on the text, for example, and then click this button. But you can basically use all the power of AI on the transcript that you have. Um, Cool. So let's look at the one we just uploaded. You can see it's now been transcribed. Again, you can do the same thing inside the editor as we discussed before. Um, so use it just like you would use any Google Doc, basically. I can export it into any format. So if I export that into a Word file, then I get that into my folder. That's the core functionality of Conch. You can transcribe any audio or video. You can also use our Magic Doc, which is basically your transcript interacting with AI. Um, you can see in here there is ability to work across teams inside the dashboard. So if you had other folks inside your workspace, then you can share transcripts across, typically used by research groups and things like that. You can also create folders to make sure you can organize your workspace a bit better. And the way to buy credits is just by clicking up there, buy credits. You can choose how much you want to top up. And then, for example, $40 buys you 4,000 credits that you can use across all the features we have. You can see image generation, how much that cost. You can see how much draft transcription cost and precision transcription. And that's maybe worth talking a bit about. Draft transcription is fully AI generated. Precision transcription is fully AI transcribed, and then there's a human that reviews the outcome to make sure it's nice and correct. That's all there is to show. Happy to take any questions on email or have a look in our support center.